Okay, guys, so we're back in subtransaction 3. Almost done. This one, I think one more, and then we're done. Okay, let's try to see if we can knock it out. Okay, so we're going to do for each, and we're going to check for XYZ result points. XYZ, X result point. Come on. X. So if you're in a Mac and you're running parallels, right, you tend to hit the insert combination a lot, and so if you ever need to get out of it, it's just function and enter, and I believe it should stop. X result point in result point list. Cool. All right, now we're in here. Okay, so now we're going to create our drafting view. So view drafting is equal to view drafting dot create, and creating the document, and we're going to use view family type view family type dot id. All right, and then we're going to create the layout. Sorry, now we're going to draw the diagonal line in our viewports because you can't place an empty viewport, right? So it has to have something in it, so that's why we're doing this part. So it's just going to be XYZ start 1 is equal to new XYZ oops 0, 0, 0. Great. And then same thing for the endpoint, so start end 1 is equal to new XYZ 10, 10, 0. Alright. And then set a line. Line 1 is equal to line dot create bound. It's gonna be start 1 and end 1. Cool. And then now we're actually gonna draw it, and it's gonna be dot create dot new detail curve view drafting. Oops, not that part. This one. And draw line 1. Okay. Great. Okay, so now we have that part in it. And then we're going to set the view scale. So that's just going to be view drafting dot scale, and I already checked mine out, and mine's going to be 24. Okay, so this is the part where if you want to it to auto scale, you're going to have to do your own work on it, and you guys I trust you guys will be able to figure that out. It's pretty tough, but you'll get it. I have confidence in you. Okay. All right, so now we have that. Then we're going to do x line distance min is equal to x line distances dot min, and do the same thing for y's. So y line distance min is equal to y line distances dot min. Okay. All right, now we're going to create the viewport, and that's going to be viewport, new viewport. Something's not working. Let's see, we'll try it again. Viewport. Okay. Is equal to viewport dot create doc view sheet dot id, and then it's going to be view drafting dot id, and we need to get the location, which is going to be new XYZ, and we're going to tell it. So when it places viewport, right, it places the center of the viewport. Okay, so we need to tell it where the center viewport is, and so that's what these distances were, right? So here again, we're checking, right, we grab the horizontal and vertical values of our orange lines, okay, like the distance between the lines, and so now we're going to tell it to move over x point, right, plus these distances, right? And I'm going to show you how to do it right now, and it's just going to be x result point dot x plus parentheses x line distance min divided by 2, comma x result point dot y plus parentheses y line distance min divided by 2. And then we need comma 0. And we terminate it. Okay, and then we're back over. Okay. All right, so now that we've done that, it's going to be XYZ viewport min is equal to new viewport dot get outline, get box outline dot minimum point and dot maximum point. The minimum and maximum points of the boxes is just like the lower left corner and the top right corner, okay? So don't be intimidated by it. Okay. All right, and then now that we have that, so we're going to set these families, and so if new viewport is not equal to null, then we're going to do, we're going to set our viewport labels and other stuff, okay? And that's just going to be bool new viewport type parameter label is equal to doc.get element, and we're going to get new viewport dot get type ID dot get parameter. Oops. Dot get parameter, and we're going to get built-in parameter dot viewport UTTR underscore show label and dot set 1. Okay. And I believe that tells it to show set title. Okay. I have to watch the old one to remember what it was. And then so with that, we're going to do load view title family. Or sorry, if it's not loaded. So what we're going to do with that is if, and I just put it out here. Okay. So if call view titles dot count is equal to 0. Right. Then load view title dot load view title command data. Okay. All right. And then we're going to set view title family. Okay. It's going to be bool new viewport type parameter set label tag is equal to doc.get element new viewport dot get type ID dot get parameter built-in built-in parameter dot viewport underscore attr underscore label tag dot set. Oops. Oh, come on. Dot set, and we're going to set it to cold view titles dot first element ID. Okay, so first one will set of finds. And terminate it. Okay, and we're back. That's it with transaction 3. And then we're in subtransaction 4. All right. Oh, we can do that right now. Let's do that right now. Okay. So using sub transaction and comment sub tx 4 with a new subtransaction doc. All right, and then if we have a transaction, we can start it and commit it. So sub tx4.start .start sub tx4.commit. All right, and then we're going to do for each element ID viewport ID in view sheet dot get all viewports. We're going to add the viewport IDs to a list. So viewport IDs dot add viewport ID okay, and then we're going to show elements again. So UI doc dot show elements viewport IDs and then tx4.commit. Okay. All right, and we're done. So I'm going to test it out. Hopefully we won't have any errors. If we do, I'll let you know. And then we should have our beautiful tool. All right. All right. I will see you guys in the corrections or in the demo. All right. See you there. Okay, guys. So we're in our new project, right? We just finished our tool. There's our first trial on it. So as you can see, right, new project. Just only out of the box stuff coming with it, right? So no new sheets, no drafting views. And let's hope this works. Hit our button. Oop, looks like we got an error. Hopefully it's pretty easy. So we're getting a, couldn't find a path error. All right, let me pause it and then I'll fix my path. Shouldn't be too hard, but if it's anything crazy, I'll let you know. All right, and we'll be back. Okay, so we're back. So I fixed my path error. Trial number 2. Hopefully this works. So new project again, right? Nothing's in it. Try our button. And Show that one more time. Something's not firing. And so I'll figure it out and come back. Okay, so we had a couple corrections to make, or well, hopefully you caught them, and it's just me. And we start from the top. So first one was I had a space like this in my .rfa search for the get files. There should be no space. I just have it like that. Okay. And then I also had another one. I forgot my if statement in this one. Okay. So it should have been for each, and then if this, right? So file info.name, search for the custom title block basically, and if it exists, set it as true. Okay. And then the other one was this guy. So we were down here in this block, right? So we were adding our detail lines, or sorry, adding our horizontal lines to the Y. This previously was X, right? So the same as this guy. Should have been a Y, like this, right? And then yeah, all right. And then I'll see you in the demo after you make those corrections. All right, guys, welcome to the demo. This is for the tool that you just made. So if we check out, right, so new project, right? Nothing's been added to it. Okay, we're gonna go to our test tab. We're gonna hit our button and watch the magic happen. No views. We're gonna say, please find one. And there's all of our viewports with lines in them. I laugh because I just, wonder how many hours this just saved everyone for doing this. All right, yeah. So, all right, we go down here, right? So drafting views. Right, so I just created 20 drafting views, right? And then we got one sheet extra here, so 103 unnamed, and then create it again. Say OK, and sit back and relax, and there it is again. Great. Another 20 views made. Cool. All right, guys. That's it for this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Liking, of course, really helps my morale over here. And I really appreciate it. And then the next one, I think, is just going to be a simple one, probably tag parameters. Like I said before, though, in the beginning, I'm going to have to kind of take a break, and I'm going to have to make some tools that I'm going to make available for subscription for people to use. I got to get going on that. Otherwise, I'm going to be broke for a while. Yeah, so I will catch you guys on the next one. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. And yeah, guys, take care. See you on the next one.